Hello mga kabahay, meron na namang isang tanong. Totoo ba na ang condominium ay hanggang 50 years lang? Well, according sa Philippine Law of Condominium Act RA 4726, may clause na after 50 years pwede pang ipa-redevelop, ibenta, and buuin ang building kung majority ng unit owners agree kung ang building is no longer economically viable. Ibig sabihin, sobrang luma na to at hindi na safe o practically maintained. Pero kung well-maintained ng property through the property management at saka ng mga officers ng condominium, walang problema at may-extend pa po ito hanggang more than another 25 years hanggang 100 years depende sa maintenance. Ngayon, going back, kung gusto niyo pang malaman kung ano pa, kung papaano pumili ng condo na siguradong well-maintained, message me and let's talk about your investment. Again, Christian Santos, your real estate broker. Hear me.